Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your windscreen wipers on your car. Very easy to do, and it will save you some money as well. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, I would love to hear from you, so please leave a positive comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe so you never miss the next video. I'm just going to quickly show you the reasons why I'm replacing the windscreen wipers. As you can see, the current wiper blades are not effective enough. They're leaving streaks on the windscreen, so it's time for them to be replaced. Before you replace your wiper blades, it's very important that you do your due diligence first. So how you can do this is there's a lot of websites or companies out there that sells wiper blades. Now, going on the website, it allows you to put in your car registration number. Once you do that, it will suggest the correct wiper blades for your car. In my case, what I've done is to go on Halfords. What I'll do, I'll leave the link of Halfords in my description. So once you search for wiper blades, it asks for your registration number, your car registration number. Then once you do that and search, it will suggest the correct wiper blades, whether it's for the front or for the rear of your car. Now once you select whichever one you want to do, it usually offers you to purchase the product only, or to purchase the product and also to fit it. In that case, if you're gonna pay them to fit it, you'll have to take it to one of their shops or auto center. Of course, in my case, I'm gonna do it myself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order it online and either get it delivered, or I can do a click and collect. Now, in receipt of the two wiper blades, I'm just going to quickly show you what is in the box. Okay, so this is everything that is in the box. 4 clips, the instruction, and the blade itself. What is good, on the instruction there's some barcodes that you can scan, and it shows you whichever wiper you're going to fit, how to do everything from start to finish. So this is quite good. Anyway, from my research, I know that I'm going to need number 2 clip. So I'm going to put the others aside. On the clip itself, there's an arrow at the front, and also there's an arrow on the wiper blade. So it means both arrows must be lined up together. So I'm just going to do that now. You should also get a clip once, or a click once everything goes on properly. There you go. So this is now ready to be installed. Very important that when you remove the wiper blade, you put back this metal piece or metal bit on back down, because if you leave it like that and there's you should hit it, it will snap, and because this is metal and this is glass, then you damage your windscreen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the wiper blade, and then I'm gonna put this back down. There you go. It's as easy as that. Yeah, I'm just quickly showing you what was causing the streak on the windscreen. Both wipers are like this. If you look here, this rubbery bit is coming off. So this is one of the new wiper blades. So basically I'm gonna just fit it in. Right, it's as simple as that. This is now fitted. So I'm gonna put that one down, and I'm gonna do the other side. New wiper blades have now been fitted. So what I'm gonna do is to make sure that this is working properly. Wow, you can see for yourself, this is perfect. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.